Are you searching for a quick and lucrative way to make money online? Imagine making $35 every 10 minutes simply by typing. It may sound too good to be true, but in this video, we will reveal a method that can help you achieve just that. Whether you're a seasoned typist or a beginner, this opportunity is open to all. Stay tuned as we unveil how you can start making $35 every 10 minutes by typing for cash. Let's dive in and turn your typing skills into a profitable venture.
Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Let's dive right in and explore this handy tool that can automate your work, Google Translate. You can access it by heading to translate.google.com. The real magic here lies in the fact that you can actually earn more by translating words into different languages, and we will show you why that's the case. With the Google Translate, you can not only translate text but also utilize its audio input feature. This means that you can play an audio and Google will transcribe what it hears in both the original language, let's say English, and translate it into another language, like Spanish. This is fantastic because it allows you to potentially get paid twice. One is for typing what you hear in English and then for translation into Spanish. Now let us walk you through 4 platforms that will pay you for using Google Translate. But before we get started, make sure you have a PayPal account. If you don't have yet, it's simple to set up one worldwide. Just visit paypal.com and create your free account. Now, let's discuss these platforms ranked from the lowest to the highest paying. Our first destination on this exciting journey to earn money using Google Translate is Scribby.com. While it may not be the highest paying platform, it's an excellent place to kickstart your endeavors. Scribby specializes in freelancing transcription work, where you can earn a respectable income ranging from $5 to $20 per audio hour. What makes Scribby particularly appealing is its provision of automated transcripts, which can significantly reduce the amount of typing required, saving you up to 60% of the effort. The process is straightforward. All you have to do is listen carefully, make any necessary corrections, and watch the earnings flow into your verified PayPal account. If you decide to incorporate Google Translate into your workflow, it can further simplify the process. You merely need to let the audio play, and Google Translate will take care of the typing for you. Once the transcription is complete, submitting it in a different language can even boost your earnings. Now here's the exciting part. Some individuals on this platform are earning as much as $1,600 per month in additional income. Not too shabby for a gig that involves little more than listening to audio and letting Google Translate handle the heavy lifting, right? Scribby has been in business since 2008 and has a solid track record, having paid out over $4 million to its transcribers. With 50,000 certified transcribers scattered across the globe, it's clear that this is a legitimate platform that offers flexibility in terms of where you are and when you work. So, get ready to set up your schedule and work from the comfort of your own home. This marks our first step on the path to potential earnings.
Wait a minute, have you been enjoying this video so far? If your answer is yes, then this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it yet. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads. Now let's get back to the video.
Our next stop takes us to GoTranscript, a platform with a solid history in the field. What sets them apart is their competitive offering of 60 cents per audio minute. The potential monthly earnings in this platform are equally impressive, reaching up to $1,200. GoTranscript primarily offers opportunities for transcription work, where individuals like you can convert audio recordings into written text. This This avenue is particularly lucrative if you possess proficient typing skills and a keen eye for detail. To embark on your journey as a transcriptionist, you'll first need to create an account on GoTranscript and successfully complete a qualification test. Once you've passed this test, you will gain access to a plethora of transcription jobs. Jobs are paid on a permanent basis, and pay rates are subject to variation based on the specific type of recording you transcribe. For instance, transcribing a medical recording typically fetches a higher rate than working on a more general recording. Just like the previously mentioned platforms, GoTranscript offers the flexibility to select projects at your own convenience. This fantastic news for those seeking a gig that can be tailored to their lifestyle and schedule. Here's an extra tidbit to boost your enthusiasm. GoTranscript allows you to translate into different languages, which can significantly expand your earning potential. This added layer of versatility enables you to cater to a wider range of clients and projects, ultimately maximizing your income. So, get ready to dive into the world of transcription, where precision and the typing prowess can lead to substantial earnings. Now let's embark on a third venture and delve into Transcribe Me. Transcribe Me operates as a transcription service catering to both businesses and individuals in need of audio and video transcription solutions. The unique aspect of Transcribe Me is that it offers an avenue for folks to earn a steady income by transcribing audio and video files. On this platform, your earning potential takes a pleasing form, as you can potentially pocket between $60 to $70 for each audio hour you tackle, particularly if you become a part of their special team. Being a member of this executive team often requires proficiency in multiple languages. However, this is where the magic of Google Translate comes into play, streamlining the process for you. Furthermore, Transcribe Me extends the perk of offering healthcare and additional benefits to its members, rendering it a highly appealing option for those in search of transcription opportunities. Getting started with Transcribe Me is a breeze. You can head over to transcribeme.com, kickstart your freelancing journey by filling out a brief application, and swiftly set up your account. With these preliminary steps behind you, you can immediately commence your transcription assignments. Now let's turn our attention to our final destination, Rev.com. This platform distinguishes itself as one of the highest paying transcription platforms in the industry, and they boast the convenience of weekly payouts via PayPal. To sweeten the deal, they also offer a high degree of flexibility, allowing you to work on your terms. To embark on your journey with Rev.com, visit rev.com/freelancers and follow the straightforward sign-up process. Upon registration, select your country, configure your account settings, and you're all set to get started. It's worth noting that Rev.com has garnered widespread recognition and has been featured in esteemed publications like Forbes, Huffington Post, and the Business Insider. When it comes to compensation, Rev.com offers enticing pay rates starting at $1.10 for each audio minute you transcribe. However, if you happen to be fluent in a foreign language, the rewards are even more substantial, as they will extend a generous $3 for each audio minute you transcribe in foreign language. That equates to a whopping $30 for a mere 10 minutes of work using Rev.com. This elevated compensation structure makes it an attractive option for those seeking lucrative transcription opportunities.
And that's it for today. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell to get you notified on our future uploads.